Hello guys, welcome to Amazon TV. I hope you are okay. Guys, before I play this video, I want to read this Mozambican newspaper for you. They say Mozambicans returning to South Africa despite xenophobia. Despite the continuation of marches against foreign citizens, some Mozambicans are returning to South Africa. At the Baisa and Junta International Bus Terminals, Transport Association managed to dispatch as many as 5 15-seater passenger vehicles daily to various destinations across South Africa. Owner of a beauty salon in a neighborhood of Johannesburg, where she has worked for 5 years, Rosa Naomi returned to Mozambique on July 30th, the ultimatum deadline set by leaders of March and March movement for undocumented foreigners to return to their countries. 20 days later, back to the country where she earns her livelihood, South Africa. Yes, I am going back to South Africa because here in Mozambique there is no work, there is nothing. She justified her decision regarding daily life in South Africa since the start of the marches. The entrepreneur explained that in our area there are no protests, they are only marching. Returning to South Africa, Phineas Mafumo is another Mozambican with no choice but to refrain from remaining for long period on native soil due to his business activities in the land of the Rand, which is South Africa, of course. He stated he received assurances from friends in that country, which is South Africa, that the situation has normalized despite the continuation of marches every Thursday. You can enter South Africa. Xenophobia has reduced. It is not like past days. Although every Thursday there are marches that frightens people. He reassured, explaining his choice of South Africa. We are used to making a living in South Africa. In Mozambique, there is no work, so we will see in South Africa. International transporters at both the Juneta terminal and down in Maputo City, Baisa, report a relative movement of passengers seeking transport to South Africa. Jonas Fumo from the association based at Juneta states that the situation has returned to normal. We are now able to dispatch 3 to 5 vehicles per day. 10 days ago, we couldn't even dispatch 1 or 2 vehicles. Mozambique has served in recent days as the transit corridor for African citizens returning to their countries of origin. So guys, as you can hear, foreigners are returning to South Africa, and I've seen videos. There are some clips I want to play for you here. Let's just watch these clips first.
Give us the foreigners here. Give us the foreigners here. Why are you hiring the foreigners? You must close here, no man. Hey, just close. Give us the foreigners.
We want foreigners. Tell them to go out. We want foreigners here.
So guys, here South Africans are fighting to have jobs in their own country because employers prefer to hire illegal immigrants. They don't want to hire them. So ever since foreigners left, employers does not have a choice but to hire South Africans. But listen to what South Africans are doing with the job now.
South Africa, dumelang. Re buile gape mo Chukuru, you can see Chukuru farm. So the problem that we have here, batho ba borena every Friday ba lofa now ke manta gape ba tia ke dipapalasa ba tle mmereko. So the challenge le ngwana go aim of business is to make profit. So now this business is work under the laws because of our South African brothers who are balwela. So today ga ba tla mmereko le goa le nyamme ka kudu le nna ke nyamme gore re balwela but at the end of the day re fight re loka a gona mogola. So re gopela gore ka moswane re tlhoka banna ba 80 ba ile gore they are ready to work, ba ile gore ba tsaya responsibility ya mmereko. We are sick and tired up to so far.
What?
You are disappointed.
I am too much disappointed. They don't want to work.
But we'll try by all. Guys, this is the last chance in this farm.
So why are we doing this now as South Africans? Why are we doing this now? We want to prove those people who are calling us lazy, right? That they are correct, we are lazy. Sometimes we are the cause of our problems as South Africans. Really, we have to be honest.
I have closed my company here in South Africa. You South Africans open your own companies and hire your own people. Many of us business people are going here to open our companies in Zimbabwe. The meeting we are having, businessmen for local in South Africa, because of the problem we are facing. I can't work with South Africans who don't want to work. If they're drunk, they don't come to work. Many companies have collapsed and some have closed since you began to drive out foreigners.
Hey, funeka kuqale mashe nimashe uphakela mthakathi nawo amakwerekwere ayabuya futhi egoli. Funeka siqale ukumasha futhi. Ayabuya amakwerekwere nawabona agcwele kangakanani. Hey. Asihlukumeze amakwerekwere. Hayi.
Hey, mama hambe. Oh, Louis. Oh, welcome back. Oh, yeah. You are very good.
So you see what is going on now. These employers will rather close down their companies and follow Zimbabweans and follow Mozambicans than to employ South Africans, which is so painful and embarrassing at the same time. It's so sad. It's so painful, I know. But South Africans, we have to be honest to each other. Ever since these foreign nationals left this country, how many complaints do we get from these employers? How many employers do we see on social media, even on news? If you go to newsroom, SABC, employers are there complaining that South Africans are nowhere to be seen at work. Even here in KZN, just today, I saw on newsroom. So I was watching on newsroom. This association of employers, they are looking for people to come and work in these sugarcane fields in KZN. They are looking for workers in sugarcane fields. They are looking for work. They are looking for workers in fruits farms. They are looking for workers everywhere. We still have millions of South Africans who are still unemployed. Where are they now? Employers are looking for workers to come and work, but they are nowhere to be seen. Those who are showing up saying they are looking for jobs, they hire them because they don't have a choice. Foreigners have left the country, but those South Africans will work only 2 or 3 days. Tomorrow, they are not coming back. You see the problem. We are creating this problem for ourselves. Sugarcane fields, there are no workers there. Fruit farms, there are no workers there. Even some hotels, they are complaining. There's no staff there. Where are the South Africans to go and work there? Even LACO, the labor desk of MK Party, sometimes they are complaining. We find a job for South Africans. They go there and work only 1 month or 2 weeks. They run away. What do we want as South Africans? Why are we disgracing ourselves in public? Are we proving these people who are calling us lazy right now? We are telling them that they are correct. Whatever they are saying about us, they are correct. How can we chase away foreigners because we are complaining that they are taking our jobs? We don't have jobs anymore. So now jobs are everywhere. We are nowhere to be seen. We can blame them now because it's so painful what they are saying, that they want to follow Zimbabweans. But deep down inside, we know the truth. So guys, let me know what you think on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and share the video. Love you guys. Bye.